Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Blue Computing. Today I am going to show you how to monitor CCTV cameras from mobile apps. In my previous video, I showed you how to install and monitor CCTV cameras through the software. Now we need a mobile app to observe CCTV live view and playback. This software is free. You can download it from the Google Play Store. Now go to the Google Play Store and search GDMSS Lite. Install the software. After installing, click All Allow to continue. Now select your location. This window will ask you to download the full version of GDMSS software. Click Cancel to continue. The software just opened. Now click on the three-dot icon on the upper left side. Now the software will ask you about the device type. Click on the wired device and go for the P2P connection. Here you have to insert the name of the device. You can insert any type of name. After that, you have to put the serial number of the CCTV device. Now you have to insert the serial number of your device. You will find the serial number on the top sticker of the device, or you have to contact the vendor or administrator for the serial number. Put the username and password of the device that has been already added to your DVR system. Please contact your administrator or vendor about the username and password. After inserting all the data correctly, click on Start Live Preview. Now you can see that the device is online and all of the cameras are showing. To check the recorded video of any specific camera, go to Playback and click on the camera video from the right top. Select your device and your camera number. You see that the selected camera is showing. Now the video shows the previously recorded video of camera number 2. From the same process, you can change your camera and check the previously recorded video. If you want to monitor previously recorded video from a desktop or laptop computer, please check another CCTV video from this channel. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the full video.